Hey guys, so I just wanted to do a quick little intro. As y'all can see by the title, I'm going to be doing another drive with me, and once again, I'm going to Ulta, Target, all my favorite places. I hope I find some good stuff so I can haul it in this video as well. Once again, I'm on my phone, sorry for the bad quality, it's fine. I'm gonna have to talk really loud, but I don't really care because no one's in the car, so I can talk as loud as I want. I'm doing another drive with me. As you saw, I actually made an intro. As you saw from my last drive with me, if you saw it, if you didn't, go watch it because it was pretty funny. I don't look at the camera. You're like, why are you looking at the road? Huh, wonder why. I'm going to Ulta again, as I did in my last one, but last time was Black Friday, so that was a while back. And I really like doing these drive with me's. I've been filming my third vlog. I've been filming it since my last vlog ended, which was like December, so I know you can barely see my head. It's fine. So I just really want to do this because this is more of like a current day situation type thing. So, and then the vlogs, I've talked about some stuff that I wish y'all would know what I was saying, but it's so long ago that I recently switched over to natural deodorant. I got the native deodorant. I'm going to be doing a review on it soon, but I really want to do an armpit detox first. So I really need to order the clay off of Amazon so that I can do the detox, because I don't really want to do that until I've detoxed, because right now I still smell at the end of the day. So I mean, there's a little spoiler, but hopefully once I detox it'll be better. And I wanted to do that even before, but yeah. And I've had it for a month now, and I showed it in my vlog and everything, but once again, as I said, that's probably not going to be posted for forever, if even ever. Alright, well that was a fail. So the whole way here I had to have my phone down because I never got a stop sign, plus the person behind me was on my stinking tail, and so I'm at a stoplight right now, but they were literally on my tail, and it was so annoying. But I don't even know what I was talking about. Oh, my natural deodorant. So I really want to do a review on that. I have so many videos, ideas I want to do, but I can't do them right now. This person is literally about to rear-end me. Thank you. Do you not realize there's a car in front of you? Oh my goodness, people are so annoying. That I'm parked and I literally am not saving any time at all. I guess I'll just do a drive from Ulta with me. I have some things that I want to get, but every time I come in here they're sold out, and I know some of them are sold out because I looked online. I'm gonna go in, lose some makeup, try and get me in a better mood. I would say it was pretty successful. I definitely recommend you get the Ulta app, if you shop at Ulta all the time, because it gives you a bunch of deals. Sorry, I'm taking off my sweater, it's a little toasty. It gives you a bunch of deals, whether it gives you 20% or 10 times the points on this or whatever like that. I got one that said 5 to 10 points on certain things, and so I redeemed it on the Ulta app so that whenever you use your Ulta whatever card, points card. So I got the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. Finally, I got 143 bonus points earned and 56 from the actual order, because okay, first I'm gonna open this and make sure it's not shattered. This is my biggest fear. I love the back because she did change the packaging, and I love how she has the extra shades. Please don't be shattered. Thank you. Then I got 3 other things, and LA Girl's finally in my Ulta. It hasn't been in my Ulta ever. And so if you want to first impression on this, I got Porcelain because I think Porcelain is actually lighter than Fair. I've seen swatches and I think it is. Even though in the bottles they looked kind of similar. I really want to try this out. It's apparently super glowy. I wanted to try out this Essence Keep It Perfect makeup fixing spray because Kathleen said that this makes your makeup look so dewy. Sorry, I keep looking around me, but you know. But I was gonna get it before, just whenever all that Essence makeup launched. And then this was the only Makeup Revolution thing that I got because it was the only thing really in stock. There was one other thing that I wanted that was in stock, but I thought that I'd rather get it online because it's buy 2 get 1 free right now. So I'd rather get the 3 things that I really want online, so then I can get at least 1 thing free. This is the Luxury Baking Powder in Ghost, because I saw someone try this and they were like, I hope this isn't actually white, and it ended up being white, and I was like, I need that. Alright, so now I'm gonna go into Target. I don't really know why. Hopefully I'll find some things. I doubt I will. I kind of hope I don't, but I just want to shop some more, even though I shouldn't. I only really got one thing. Even though I was in there for like an hour, it's just because I saw someone that I knew and we just chatted and caught up until she had to go to work. So I got hamburger buns, but I'm not going to show you those. But I got this lipstick from Maybelline because I saw a video. This is the gray one, which I still wanted this one, but I wanted the green one. But this is the gray one, and this is the Maybelline lipstick powder matte Smoky Jade. Okay, I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree just because I haven't been there in like forever. So yeah, I'm gonna go there and then I'll probably go home. Please just leave some video recommendations down below because I have so many videos I want to do, but I honestly can't do them because they're like, you know, farther that I'm gonna do them because like most of them I can't do until summer because that's when I'm going to the beach and I want to film a couple videos there. I did get stuff at Dollar Tree. I got another wrapping paper, like a different color because they didn't have it last time that I was there. That was the only color they had different though. And it's like a light blue. It's not like my dark navy blue. It's like a baby blue type color. I don't really know what I'm gonna use it for. I'm going to go to TJ Maxx because I just really want to, and I want to try and find some stuff. This feeling can't be wrong. I'm about to get my worshipful, take me away. It's a beautiful day. Some videos that I was thinking about doing is one was the native deodorant and then detox, and then I really want to do, okay, there's so many like videos that I want to film, but I have to buy stuff for it, and that's like where, like, okay, so I'm always like, how do people always like make videos like 3 times a week? I don't know how they do it, like how they think of ideas, but it's because they have like the resources to review new things like all the time, whether that is like they're getting sent stuff or they buy it. I just can't like constantly buy makeup just because I do have money, but I'd rather not spend it all on new makeup. I would rather just wait for reviews to come out and see if it's actually good. Like, I'm just that kind of person. Really want to make an order from Shop Miss A, and I just really want to wait for Alexis lashes to come in stock because they said they're releasing new lashes and Alexis are going to come back in stock soon. I think I'm going to stop it right here until I get out of TJ. I didn't get anything at TJ Maxx. It hasn't really been a success recently. I wasn't in the mood for clothes shopping though. I like looked at the clothes, but I didn't like really look. Like, I saw pants that I really liked because they're flowy, but they're extra large. And I'm not an extra large, so another video I want to do is doing like my best friend's makeup, and then like, or maybe just like a get ready with us, or her doing my makeup, or all 3 of them. I don't know. But we're going to the beach together, so I knew we could film it there, but that's not till summer. So yeah, it's gonna be a while before that. So I have so many video ideas written down, but all of them I can't do yet. So, and then some of them I just really want to wait till I get my camera, like, because my camera I have right now, it takes batteries, and I'm like out of batteries right now. Like, the batteries that I have in my camera right now are the last batteries I have, and I really don't want to buy any more batteries just because they're so bad. Like, why? I really don't want to keep buying them because they're expensive, and then you just throw them away. Like, if I'm gonna have this camera for longer, then I'll invest in like rechargeable batteries. So yeah, this lip color is really pretty because it's worn down from like a gloss and now it's like a lipstick. This is the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer in Charmer, my favorite. I wore it in my last drive with me. really don't know what other thing I was going to talk about. Like, I had so many things that I was going to talk about. My full face of old favorites hasn't gotten literally any views, and it's been posted for 3 days. Like, literally no one. Elena Ciciotti posted like a Q&A, and she's like one of the people that inspired me so much to like start putting Jesus videos on my channel. And so yesterday I just commented, like I literally waited until she posted her video. Like I was gonna go to bed early, and she was like, oh, my video is posting in 37 minutes. And then like my story, like on the story it said 40 minutes ago. So I was like, on the story it said 40 minutes ago. So I was like, oh, it's already posted. Then I waited like a whole nother hour just trying to. So I commented on her video, and I like basically said that she inspired me, and I finally got the courage up to post. Yes, God did lay it on my heart to do it, but she's really been the one who's like made me want to do them for so long. I commented, and then I got like 6 subscribers overnight, and I was like, I know that's not a lot, but it is a lot. Like I had like 14 more views on that video. Like I didn't even link it or anything. I just said I finally posted like a faith related video. And yeah, like her comment section is, I've never read it, but she always says that her comment section is so great, and like everyone prays for each other in the comments, and like I just really love that. I just really want some good ideas. Maybe recreate, like I tried recreating a Pinterest makeup look, because there's this one that's really colorful and I love it so much. I love whenever people behind me go slow and they aren't on my tail. It's actually the most annoying thing on planet Earth. Whenever someone's on my tail, I'm just like, can you, like, do you mind? Things that I want to order off of Amazon is like the bentonite plate, and then my camera. And I just want to wait to ask someone who's like more like experienced in cameras and all that, and like knows which set would be better, because I want to get a set, but at the same time I'm like, why do I need a set? I really like doing drive with me's, because it's just like I'm doing it while I'm doing something, so it's kind of like a vlog where I'm actually going out. I like doing these because they're like actually, you know, more updated than my vlogs, because my vlogs, they're like they're just me sitting down, which obviously this is too, but like I'm actually talking about current things, you know. They're not like 3 months later. There's a person there. Oh, he was sitting on the edge of the road. I did not see him. Oh my goodness. I mean, I didn't hit him obviously, but he was like giving me the look. It's like, you're the one who's sitting on the edge of the road. People are crazy. It's not like we have a big shoulder. Like if there was a big shoulder, I'd understand, but there's literally like this much of a shoulder on the road. And they're out for 2.5 hours. Still only like 12:30. That's why I really wanted to get up early and do this, so that I could still have the rest of the day, because I'm editing my following Nicole Renee's makeup tutorial, but I think I'm gonna post this first just because I don't want to post 2 makeup looks in a row, you know. This is the color that I got. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this drive with me. If y'all want more of these, just let me know down below, because I love doing these. I just need some stuff to talk about. And also, I think I'm going to be posting like a picture on Instagram or something, just saying like, ask me questions you've always wondered about me, whether it's like TV shows, makeup, personal, Jesus, Christianity, like anything like that. And if y'all want to go ahead and like comment down below, or like go over to my Instagram, DM me questions, or just comment on my pictures and give me questions, and just say that they're for the Q&A. A lot of people follow me on there that I know, so if their question is, why are you asking questions? Then, ouch. I got a new lanyard, polka dots from Bybel, but this thingy, I'm not used to like that, and so it kind of scratches my neck a little bit. I really hope y'all enjoyed this drive with me. Tell me down below if you want any more. Please leave any video recommendations down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!